meditation for calm. Find a comfortable position lying down or sitting, and allow your eyes to gently close or remain open with a soft gaze. Take a few deep breaths to settle into the present moment. Bringing attention to your breath, notice it naturally rising and falling. With each exhalation, feel your body relaxing more deeply. As tension releases, allow your muscles to unwind completely. Feel yourself melting into a state of rest. You are perfectly safe and at ease. When ready, envision in your mind's eye a beautiful, tranquil lake. It could be one you've visited, seen in photos, or imagined. Take in all the vivid details. The way sunlight dances across the water, glinting like diamonds. See how the surface mirrors the world around it. Reflect on how the lake is sometimes smooth as glass, serenely reflecting the moon, stars, and passing clouds. Other times, winds stir up waves that ripple the surface. Like the lake, our minds too sometimes become turbulent, stirred up by challenging circumstances. Yet beneath the surface, a deep calm always remains. Hear in your mind the soothing sound of water lapping against the shore. Forward and back, forward and back. No hurry. Nowhere to rush. Breathe fully and deeply. Listen to birds softly calling, feel a light breeze, see clouds lazily drifting across the vibrant blue sky reflected on the lake's surface. Know you are profoundly at peace. Let this sense of tranquility fill your entire being, soothing your body and mind. When you feel ready, gently return your focus to your breath. Inhale renewal. Exhale any leftovers of tension. Slowly open your eyes, feeling restored to a state of inner calm and balance. carry this with you as a refuge from stress.